In terms of wood cutting, efficiency, power, and precision make all the difference. Whether tackling weekend yard work or serious outdoor projects, the right chainsaw turns hard labor into effortless craftsmanship. Today's lineup features the top 5 of the best electric and cordless chainsaws, both pro-grade and mini chainsaws that combine innovation, safety, and performance for both homeowners and professionals.
So, let's get started.
If you are looking for a chainsaw that gives you strong cutting performance without the headache of gas, the Greenworks 80-volt 18-inch brushless cordless chainsaw is made for serious yard work, storm cleanup, firewood cutting, pruning, limbing, and even tree felling. This model comes with an 18-inch chain and bar, runs on a battery-powered 80-volt system, and the listed option includes a 2.0 amp battery with a rapid charger, so you can start working without buying the main power accessory separately. The brushless motor is a major reason this chainsaw stands out, because Greenworks says it delivers 2 times more torque with more power, longer runtime, quieter operation, and longer motor life. It is also designed to be easier to own than a gas chainsaw, with push-button start, no gas, no fumes, no carburetor, no spark plug, and no starter rope. For smoother cutting, it has an automatic oiler that helps keep the chain lubricated, and the easy-adjust chain tensioning makes bar and chain maintenance simpler. Performance-wise, Greenworks lists up to 150 cuts on 4x4 lumber on a single charge, with power comparable to a 42cc gas chainsaw, making it a solid choice for homeowners and outdoor users who want a cleaner, quieter, and lower maintenance chainsaw for regular property work. The Ego Power CS 2005 20-inch battery-powered chainsaw is built for heavier yard work, farm cleanup, storm damage, firewood cutting, and larger property maintenance. This model uses Ego's 56-volt ARC lithium battery system and comes with a 6.0 amp-hour battery and charger, so it is ready for users who want strong cordless performance without mixing fuel or dealing with gas engine maintenance. The big highlight here is the 20-inch bar, which gives you more cutting reach for thicker branches, logs, and tough outdoor jobs, while the high-efficiency brushless motor is designed to deliver power comparable to a 55cc gas chainsaw, with chain speeds up to 25 meters per second for fast, clean cutting. Ego also lists up to 135 cuts on 6x6 lumber per charge, making it a practical option for homeowners and landowners who need more runtime from a battery saw. Another useful feature is the digital display, which helps you check important tool information while working, and the built-in LED work light can help when cutting in darker areas, shaded spots, or low-light conditions. Since it runs on battery power, you get push-button convenience, lower noise, no fumes, and less maintenance compared with many gas saws. For small cutting jobs around the yard, the Greenworks 24-volt 6-inch mini chainsaw is a handy cordless option for people who do not want to bring out a full-size chainsaw every time they need to trim branches or clean up the garden. This compact saw uses Greenworks' 24-volt battery-powered system, and this version includes a 2.0 amp-hour battery and charger, so it is ready for pruning, light wood cutting, campfire prep, garden maintenance, and quick backyard cleanup. The 6-inch bar and chain are designed to cut through small branches and logs, while the lightweight design makes it easier to control for users who want something simple, portable, and less tiring to use. Greenworks lists the weight at only 3.4 pounds with the battery, which makes it a practical choice for homeowners, seniors, gardeners, and DIY users who need a one-hand-friendly saw for lighter jobs. It also includes useful safety and comfort features like a security lock to help prevent accidental starts, anti-slip handles for better grip, and a safety baffle to help protect against flying debris. For easier maintenance, the tool also has one-click chain tightening, so adjusting the chain is faster and does not require extra tools. When you only need to cut small branches, trim bushes, or clean up light yard waste, a full-size chainsaw can feel too big. And that is where the Works WG324 20V 5-inch mini cordless chainsaw becomes a very useful tool. This compact pruning saw is battery-powered, weighs only 3.9 pounds with the battery, and is designed to be light enough for one-hand use, while still being strong enough to cut through branches around the yard. It uses Works PowerShare battery technology, so the included 20V 2.0 amp-hour battery can also work with over 140 Works 20V, 40V, and 80V tools in the PowerShare family. For cutting performance, this mini chainsaw has a 5-inch bar and a chain speed of 22 feet per second, giving it enough speed for pruning trees, trimming bushes, cutting small limbs, and handling quick garden cleanup. Works says it can cut up to 100 pieces of 2-inch wood on a single charge, which makes it practical for everyday homeowners who want more runtime for light outdoor jobs. It also includes a built-in chain tensioning tool for easier adjustment, plus helpful safety features like an upper chain guard, hand guard, and lockout switch to help reduce accidental starts and protect your hands while working. For quick pruning and light wood cutting, the Saker Mini Chainsaw is made for people who want something smaller, lighter, and easier to handle than a regular chainsaw. This cordless handheld saw is a good fit for trimming tree branches, cleaning up the courtyard, cutting small pieces of wood, garden work, household yard maintenance, and simple outdoor projects. It is battery-powered and uses a 550-watt motor with a compact 4-inch chain length and around 6 meters per second chain speed, giving it enough cutting power for small jobs without the size and weight of a full chainsaw. The tool weighs about 1.1 kilograms, so it is easy to carry, control, and store, especially for homeowners who need a simple grab-and-go pruning tool. Its small body also helps when working in tight spaces, around bushes, low branches, or places where a larger saw feels uncomfortable. The upgraded copper motor, chain, and bar are designed to improve power, torque, runtime, and tool life, while the cordless design means you do not have to deal with gas, cords, or heavy equipment.